Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily restart your iPhone. So actually we do have some division about the iPhone X, 11, 12 and up to 16 and SE and version of the SE, 5S and earlier. The first genre of the iPhones with the Face ID, so up to 16 and X, we have to hold the side button here and volume plus button until here we do see slide to power off. We have to slide to power off. On the iPhone SE, which is the second gen and third generation, we'll have to hold the side button until the power side appears, so without this volume up, just that, and then we will just have to slide to power off our iPhone, and now we have to hold the side button again until we see the Apple logo. That's in every iPhone actually, and in the iPhone SE, which is only the first generation, 5S and earlier, as I said, you have to hold the top button until the slider appears, slide to power off, and hold the top button again. So that's how to just properly turn off your phone and turn it back on. But we have the second option, which is the force restart, when our screen is frozen or unresponsive. On the iPhone 8 or later, so with the Face ID and 8 iPhone, we have to, let me show you quickly, wait a moment, not now. We have to quickly press and release the volume up button, then volume down, and then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo shows. Up, wait a moment, I did a screenshot. Up, down, and hold the side button. Here, as you can see, we do have slide to power off, but we are not sliding. We have to hold and hold until, as you can see, we have the Apple logo. We don't have the Apple logo right now. We have no Apple logo, so we can put our phone here. On the iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, you have to press and hold the volume down button and the side button together until you see the Apple logo. And on the iPhone 6, as all earlier, you have to press and hold the home button and top or side button together until the Apple logo appears. So as you can see now, our phone is restarted, and we can do this when our phone is unresponsive. It's somehow faster than just restarting your phone via the slide to power off. You can do actually both. And that's what works on your iPhone. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.